Nice to meet you. So we're interviewing you from the Post Game Network, so thanks for doing an interview with us. Yeah, just a few questions we wanted to ask you. So when you are playing sports, when it's sports season, how different is your workout routine and your diet compared to when you're off season?
Well, there's no difference. You know, when there's some guys who are, there's good and then there's great, and I would like to think of myself as being great. So when you're playing at that type of level, you know, there's no off season. So my nutrition, my workout stays the same. You know, you may get a weaker here, you know, every once in a while, but for the most part, it's just being consistent and being a machine.
So what is that consistency? Do you have like a crazy diet you're on right now?
I do. You know, it's you know, I know what my body's allergic to. There's certain foods, if you just have one piece of it, you know, you can gain a pound. So, you know, I did a lot of studying, a lot of research on my body, and I got it down to a T. So, you know, it's just a business, man. You know, it's a $1 billion business with $1 million athletes, and you just got to do your best to just keep yourself in the tip-top shape.
Yeah, you got to keep it the best at all times. It makes sense.
Yes, yes.
Well, what is your most favorite sports moment that you've ever had out on the field?
I have to go back to when I was in college. My senior year, I believe it was 2005, we beat Marshall. I was so excited about it. The fans rushed the field. We played downtown Orlando. They tore down the goalposts, carried it 30 miles to campus, threw it into the pond. And the reason why it's so exciting, because the year before we went 0-11 was a really tough year. So that will always go down as my favorite moment. University of Central Florida. Go Knights.
That's awesome. Well, I like that you bring it back to high school. You know, it starts at one point and you always remember that. But what is your favorite sports moment that you've watched as a fan? Do you have one?
Yeah, you know what? Man, there's so many of them. There's so many of them. Man, I can go back to when I was just a kid. Probably when I went to Super Bowl with man. Yeah, we had Buffalo and you had the Redskins. That was a big game. That was a big moment for me. So that was pretty cool.
How old were you when you first started playing sports?
Oh man, as soon as I came out the womb. But I started playing organized sports when I was 6 years old.
All right, so we're wrapping this up, but one last question. How stoked are you to be at the Playboy Mansion tonight?
I mean, it's cool, man. It's just one of those things that comes with being a professional athlete. You know, you just got to take it all in stride. Stay humble.
Such a rough life. Yeah. Well, have fun tonight. Thank you.